secret we so be a ye papa dum che bia ne ho aba sempa
o Ghana
wo Ghana Prophet Ojaba ne ho aba sempa ajabraja ne ho aba sempa anye bibia o Reverend Abro no mo ko chi ne ma okodem no ehun abufuo na me se de ebe ba wo akire no Reverend Abro no man no police for ko chi no a wo mo ni ko twiri mu wo mo ni se di ruade bu afuo mu a etu be hwa lewen ebe kan se Reverend Abro no man ni nya dio ye na enye sa ono obema ne lawyers achino ono ane dum to e kwa akire ba ye no wo se ade na tania ma se si anwanye nyame ni ho fu ni se lewen ba akodem.
Okay.
Because of akola no de ne car no ekukum no.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over. For sale, Mewasem David Emao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Freying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebusian Prophet Ojaba Epa Avram Chelsea send your call bia no onfanche asem no ontwa so edam okase obebono no onbone dam bi empanifo bi na kasa ba sisi yi de Avram ni abriye se achopa bi eniwa oje atu no ochena eye the 21st of June no on the squad na storm Prophet Ojaba asaw dem ebusia send eba ko wie baye de ye so much interested say ye behu de ba ko si kire eto ochena yinya na ye storm Prophet Ojaba asaw dem ehun say so betimi abo Avram dam ana say Avram betinity atofom mesaka Prophet Bernard Esia Muhanum say kam hone ma na komra edmedi so no fa ensene mu nchirem na kasa emboy odifo mo ko about too much
You suminia
Unia Ojaba pa chose watwe asan Unia be ma Avram so no so entiase ejuma be na enkofa we eyi
too much me da wano ase ma me nchia motifu akirichi ni benche me de e was Avram ekọ e was Avram be mo se wura sore dem ho e na hun se e ya na se obi e ka asem wa obetimi ayew because one say your altars, your powers, principality, rulers of darkness. So we are who connection with that higher rankings of divinity. No, we need to be tap there. At the womb for the crackle, and me about them. Engineer say, be a free with an honorable prophet like Ojaba. Say, obe be damn. Not that means I want your 9 so. And ye, and what do about bomb damn near her. Said you would TV, Sujina radio. So yesterday I was listening to them and I said 2 days ago on Kingdom Plus. Now a Ferry Mobile as a renowned man of God talking like this. So I said, one friend to Pano. Say, or penny being far from Bemusim now, now be born down. And on no swatch penny. Say, and ye that day did they bomb down near her. So also ye Christian pa na frewa. And I say too much. I de bia make say the nyame friend bia ye wo ene ye esu ni ban. So ti ase.
Okay.
Ye wo ene ye esu ni ban. E de na ye wo ban. E de na ye usu, e de na ye wo ne ye. Enya sisi ya wo ye. Enya I see I saw and it say ye prophet. E look at the childish e ye human kitingiti o. Me hu say e na we ofu number ni we be si e ye childish. Obetimi akaba ontimi nso ano. Adie ni nyina no behuna kan ba ontimi nso ano eye realms eye bonsam adifo ni nyankopon adifo ubetimi huna ba beka the moment ya ukuta honhom ade adwuma no a wo the title atoso as a prophet does not qualify as nyame prophet ye oba adifo ana too much refiana ye oba nkomsefo ho enti altar na wo na ngina so no eno na operate through you Satan sofo bia eye galega Satan difu bia o me too rebellious. Enti hwe Ghana a difu on be rebellious the centuries. How many ngwase ma yensia wo Accra Sports Stadium usu wo tumi a ne mfa nsia sorry for my word obi si minu ma me twem per o ma me twem 99 just imagine o ba da be na be nyam ye adwuma me manyini nche ba wo ne ye nyina nche so yosofo usunu ba nyina nche so yosofo osofo atimi ka to bi so minu ma me twem 99 times 9 na sofo anketo anso aba. So you are breeding a brood of vipers. And it's a wood you are. The only show man in Nanua.
Also Prophet Ojaba, a very respected prophet.
Oh, media mimi muno.
Yeah.
Obi ne bunwa on the prophetic vet. One free Christo na obi ya dia obehwe di because and ye ni suniban. Only party nyamindi. O se wonji Muhammad ni oni na nanoma bosom ne nam janu no nyi na bosom de ka onya me asamwe du owa aso ni ntie de ahom ne ka kira safo no now the new to challenge me bo dam
on say botai na ejina so ntie o de kan say bo Avram dam no bibre hu say it was a good staff say
enye good start
Avram gu nyakopon adwuma eti no ono pese on che nyame tumi wo no so na Abraham embre ne ho ase e wo nyakopon ani.
Oh, maybe too much. Acts chapter 13 verse 1. Here by Yesu. So obeki kan yoma no. Bible says you for no twomo ne tian. Tumi wo mu atian we. So what you say? And I won't say
ombra no tian no.
Oh, also obeko ochina. Me am waiting Abraham e ma ne ntwe nsan onko. Because yesterday what happened? Onko. How can a renowned prophet kasa yeah jina ma bi mu ama ma san free abusua no meni abusua sasam no wo de oso bebo bi na Kristo no be san de wa bodam no na that means we ni Kristo afam
there be on the prophet the Avram the prophet Jaba no say the year one ke bi a wonti ase o
oh there be
say odi ya wonti
enye yawde enipa ne kasa or to challenge men ko put them at the test anya men say men ko yiji wano esa Kristo ko betwe ne ho so betimi wa ho de beye kona koye se oti ase etimi me de ya na ye ka bibi se ma woni munyam ma woni munyedu en koye anwuma bi erade ota ne yenye sa adwuma no ho so betine erade ota so aba obidam bompai na de Psalm 65 verse was oh empire which for won na honam ni aba Psalm 66 verse 19 to 20 was am penyampa afian se na mu se rade atie me Bible so what you say also pray without seasoning now when you also kwa kubo obidam was out to challenge am Ghana nyina fa ba bia and a common sense family so aja to me so they will come
but I don't know Ghana a D4 no yet it musa
onye nyame difo a sa na ebe yew Kristo difo bia daboko odwebete
because pastors, apostles, prophets, evangelists, teachers, prophets now all the time you attack you.
Unse maybe they are the watchers of the church. Say Lucifer plan bibia, they will bring it out. And then say radi chirewa. And you be an radi ni ho ade chire no. E radi kasa by heart. And I say, mu beti my sermon, they radi kasa nipa ba ko. Awie program ni nyina mu be bom wa ye den nipa ba ko no be kasa no. Because ono de open no ye. Enye de wo be se ne so wo ye. So what you say? Entu ntimi nkose Kristo so nkobo obi dam. E me na wo pani pa na dwen sachara. E na ba be ye ni kan sase. E de atwe dom dia ma no ho. So what you say? Enti as a renowned man of God bi say pifu wonu mu a. E de na pese wo asofo nketu akora nhia. E de na pese wo mu nhwe na mu mfanya nhia hu se daachi bi wonni ha. E de mpo na Ghana be twera fa ho. E na tuma ma min ka secret wi. So be wi a ye papa adum che bia ne ho aba sempa.
Oh Ghana.
Ewo Ghana. Prophet Ojaba ne ho aba sempa. Ajabraja. Ne ho aba sempa nye bibia o. Reverend Abro no mo ko chi ne ma okode mu no. Ehun abufuo na me se de ebe ba wo akire no. Reverend Abro no ma no mo police fo ko chi no a wo mo ni ko twiri mu no. Wo mo ni me se de ruade bu afuo mu a etu be hwa lewen ebe kan se Reverend Abroad man in Yadu and yes, on Obama and lawyers at some. On one of them to a quite the buyer. Who say I didn't Tanyama says ya one yet Yami didn't want to himself going back with them.
Okay.
Because of a colano in a car, a cucumno. So what you say, wo se dua emmo kwaku a ebe ye de ebe san ba wo so e na abro no ma de ne ntin koda osofo pen bia ono nso wo china evangelism adwumanim sa kwala nyame mama ye police pa ono nso now as a renowned man of God that you claim yourself to be a senior prophet Elijah plan to be go to prison now I want to Ghana as tawo so me say too much e wodo ebeba wo problem nyina no na afi we mu wo de ato ajagraja ono ankasa ni nyo ho ya ona ye mu ngam ona tali mu anarafi tali ona na tali mo nya yize o ana ba wo ya ka chen so a anu so a tie si wo so ti ase se wo si wo manyame asofo ho ntom a kristo eya na bia meka so po bia ne chi mu odin pa ye friend alpha ni omega ono ma Nebukadnezar dane aboa ohempom mu a edwane ko tena nwuram na wo a wote mantwa wo si aka ho nsembo ne nti ontwe
enti wo de wo gina se de nkola we kafa asofo adom chedua ne ada asofo hu ni odi se woka
oh too much edi so muka me say e wodo a ebeba men of God bring sanity to the community ono Kristo na ye dan no a ye na adwuma no ye ka che so kuta Beelzebub is third in command in Lucifer kingdom oh ne ye adwuma enti ye ka che Kristo se kuta Beelzebub e na do to ahommo ne to an wan ka fem because onim the otin no bu so mo say you brood of vipers e de na mo agya no tutu wo mo ahommo ne no wo mo amu samaji mu samichi mom e de na mo tutu sa ahommo ne no so ti ase enti no e wodo a too much ebeba touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm obitima ba as evangelist but I'm not a prophet erade kasa kira Abraham say o ye difo onanim no okoso oni da say onfa ne yere enkoma no no de ne hu kanwa obewu na ne difo ne begina na name asere de ama no so as a man of God as a prophet any prophet is your prophet in life one for prophet am rem life wa o ba be kesi me too much o ba be bomb dam o ba be ma police case na me se hwe obi o too much bi amodate wo mama ne Ghana back to back na asobo bi nso mo de ba be ka ho no e be Ghana for nsem wa wo se suma se wo se carbon na se na wo so adoto ti abusumpie wo de nyina huta utu kwan ko bani ko India ko me ne nyama de oba tomato asene na o general de ota so this year me say problem no e say e be doso de be Johnson
prophet in some okay there any expression
too much wo de me see mu moderate boy no mo de ne nsa kan reverend abron man any akola nyame no wo problem nya asase nyina no
but the nkofo so ye na eye
eno na Abraham be mo see nso tisi him a man of God no be aka blasphemy words ah hunu say wo kura no Bible say 2 Timothy chapter 2 24 verse 26 or say obonsama chichiri nkofo bi say onye de omope now as a man of God what is your mandate to stand for the weak to intercede for the sons and daughters we interceding enti no ebe jinsam na nimguase ne be ye two wo de tuma say ye wura center e kopim December
who say odifo o ye kasa no obo sofo adom chedua ni sofo adom chedua o hwe ni djumedi a wo di na e danso enti no adeti na nkofo ntumi nti ase se ofre no obia ne ha wa onyame fre no
as a man of God
obia ne djumedi nyame
ye papa adom chedua onfa ni nsam
ni die na ye di ni no
onfa ni nsam se baabi the Bible is our manual, men of God. Or since Rani said, well, ya no town would be out to cancer when he be out of Hoso. Mama, when you know, no market just also. So what I say, it is so be to make you attempt as a man of God, real leader, and pimp him the whole. Now to be my police continue to more. Are you a man of God? Oh, one Kenya Sempo, who your teachings. Oh, bra, oh, Casa Debi. So what I say, and now only you should buy now, oh, you know. And any part be say we fake and that's how you original. So what you say?
But say o ka asema to obi so na we need evidence of it in there dangerous.
And yet evidence of it. Man of God, what edify you as a man of God? Kristo ni abɔ ne nsɛm asɛnnua mu ɔmnemu dua so gyina hɔ bi
ɔno ɔnyɛ Kristo
o me ba o se wo yɛ ne difoɔ o yɛ ne sɔfoɔ ɛna ɔse ɔno na sɔfoɔ biara dwo bɛtɛɛ wɔn nkom tɔkwa
but the Kristo fam so obi antimi fa the Kristo fam no
oh ɔse ɔde mu bɛfo ogya mu na ma mu nsuo mi mu ogya nsɛm ɔde mu bɛfo nsuo mu ma nsuo mfa mo wa man ye bre mu me bɔ ho kopim wiase wiye so ti ase mi jamo te se nwenko mpataku mi nkɔ yakyi bebre beba be sem sɛ ɔmo ne mi Kristo ne nante ba ɔmo ne ye no ɔmo su no ɔmo ban so as a man of God that you call yourself so ti ase na eniye bi esu bi na de asofo ɔmo bae from January to when they powder ko bo bi anim aso de
sɛ onyame ka nkyerɛ mo ye we na nyakopɔn aka ten sɛ onyame
nyame aka den Bible mi fa na Awurade sɛ so bi mfa powder ko bo ni pa ni aso de enti eniye ni su ni ban na obi ti wo se said yeah, a common son of Suncha because ye him said a conform with the pada. One will be common. Ye nim say a software, the ending to sa
because I do
what you too much, Maba. What you Maba? Yes, you Maba. Maybe I'm me the pada, maybe not. At the end, too much, but you're from at the for somebody. I can't remember today. Or didn't walk of flame. But hey, what about day? So I say, but
the minimum fra who could have casa.
I buy the water, yet the Boba baby. And the year is soon by Pada Opa. Any year, Sumoja now come once and away, edging a man a cra, waging a man a sabre, waging a man a brabo. Oh, shall you with ya? Oh, shall you with ya tomorrow? Mentire doom chavia, but
I think say bia
it
really now said until you
and yet you made you man of God. The Bible is our manual. Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 3. A man of God be a deep will be an intercessor.
Yeah.
Now I didn't find a radical choice about being intercessor, Mobian Kuta Pada. Now, Mammy be an who you may see. I mean, no, I know you, Mammy. Me, Mammy, now a tidom. Now, Mammy, the Pada seminar, cameraman in the tonus, you see.
Virginia,
just imagine. Now, Kabushun Fiona comfort the Pada anymore. Difference in any woman or different. Comphobia, Ashia, your Pada is you.
And a comfort fee. And now,
there's a man of God, Baba, and you know, Pada
Suba, a Kundia Suba, and the Pada, sir.
Yeah, the Pada, yeah,
two Pada the Guso. So couldn't the Abba.
We and ye way in Abelano.
Two Pada Guso.
We and ye way in Abelano.
It was Odifo, a wardrobe channel.
May Kenya may have Jenny.
But what dear Papa way and Yamin faster than Maui.
And I will never do those things.
Because you're farmer.
They know me from ye Jinaman Pimpin Bebre. But when you are Mom Pie, show them how to pray.
Also, the
Gina Mom Yamre.
Odifo, my granted so many interviews. Normally, about interviews with pastors. Mother didn't say be a men and Masada. Men say obedient.
Oh, there be empire too much.
Opinions of people there. I was so be to me opinion. Nay allow be able to share opinion freely.
What is written is written. The yatron.
But me feel say or friend there. Obiane jume dia.
Yeah, answer. Now the answer is have father.
Say so far don't be a cra a baby or make us a okotaba. But teteno na mo fo kraba. Amafo bie pumu ene say so far I don't be a ede and to makra kopa pumu ka say hey okot.
Oh, it's I don't know. I refer back to the Bible. You see, you know.
But Bible no cry e can say enema pie ho no ma ho kokko na kasa ba chechire mo.
That's it.
Because kids
will so kan so for pada ko bo bi anim. Hey. E na hwe nyame man hwe ya de nyame ba ba ya mo na nya yize o. Wo de ba ehim papa. Yes, mojo mabubu agu entu anketenkete mu a 30 cedi. Eni pa ba 2000 wa so bia 30 cedi yesai.
Omo che say oyo no.
Adi bi mpada no obia 50 cedi kwa yesai.
Na so otoye.
Mezi ya hwe ya ho. Si ya hwe ya.
Odifo.
Dia baba no.
Odifo ye.
Da bi mayan kanu kre. Pada no. How come a man of God be sell pada wona so de. Sa Yesu mo
because of person obia enye bi.
Yesu mo ja no avradia. E na no obotan. Prophet obotan o ka se o mo de efunu nsu afrem. Omo nkɔhwɛ omo time interviews. That's it. Omo de fun hu nsu afrem. Enti wa from omo time kan dwam. One of the interview with the Gosin TV said, "Ono ma onkoto bi ba." Also no aye false prophet atwam. Na saa man wa yeni nyina bi da. Na o test ye no hu a o te say fu hu nsuo sent no ebi wom. Boy ye ni hwan too much.
In the fruit soon, ye 1 gallon, they make say, na say, oh,
too much. Young former some say, baby, na, your person Sachira no nya having corner. Maybe I may find out where that may chance and Cotadi was sorry. Me, Obi Onim will review, Onim will TV and a bigger platform on too much TV. So, Onim say, I am a man of truth. Ya papa bi Kotobi war landing. Me catch it and say,
Otowa landing, I say,
Otowa landing. Yes, Mojani Bina, or read too much of friend and catching say that, and fam comb, Fakushi good toileting, or die or so young wrong. Mr. Young, what's it for? Yamin Shroud, Diam is so ya pa. Na in Sri Lanka, Unyanko Pon and I'm so catching him some information of him. Wait, Nanny Hay. Maybe I debut Amaka 2024. And Yamin a frail, now the Juano Baba. Oh, my home, so may a prophet, may a apostle, may a reverend, may a seer this year, copy next year. I was so baby now, don't who say. My number is 0249 631 876 0249 631 876. I feel she papa honorable Kennedy Japan. Honorable Kennedy Japan, papa, sorry, na new me koso, e was so for you many mono, at time, that fair year more bo. I mean, sure, I'm quite baby, honorable. Kennedy Japan will be assuming any honorable, mechanics honorable dampare. Sa papa de honorable dampare minya nanko ye Ghana president. Minya nanka oye Ghana president na ewodo a obeba betena so ama ye ho atoye na kristofo ya soa adweye
odifo tuma say onya abrema he
me jesu menua
ebusia aye tuma je so for amini din komo e prophet Bernard Esiam ne okaye nyina no e ono ni hunumu ene na dwen kire a owo ena afi platform ye fancy wo say ye de be difemu obi ana ye be ka obi hu asembo ne eye opinions ena manfo e share itebia obi aka asem bi wo hana say woni ne enya adwen a e kwan da wo say you can also come to the studios to also share your opinion ye ma okwan ma wonso aka ne a opesa woka drop wo comment wa se no abra wundi atel na subscribe my page ni mi abel no so na me upload bi aso na on sabit makra